Hi everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to buy an unlimited 1-week pass on the Gymcatch app. So let's start by opening the app and logging in. Now at this stage, if you have not registered for an account, press the register button on the first screen and you can sign up with your email. Once you are registered, enter in your details and password from registration and click login. Now you are logged in, go to the search bar at the top and enter in Fitness with Matt. The icon of my face should appear. Click on it. Here you will see all your options. Today we are focusing on buying an unlimited 1-week class pass, which is under packages. Click on packages and you will be taken to the package page. Here you will see a 1-week class pass. Click on that to purchase. One top tip: to stop you having to renew your pass each week, you can turn on auto renew. If you don't, you will have to manually renew your pass each week, and this has to happen exactly 7 days to the time since you first purchased. If you don't know when this was, you can message me and I can tell you when your pass will expire exactly. Once you have purchased your pass, you have to go back to the Fitness with Matt page on Gymcatch, click on calendar and book the classes you wish to attend. Once you have booked the classes you wish to attend, you will then receive the links for the classes. There is a separate tutorial on how to book classes.